Hello students, welcome to the science class of 5th standard of chapter Solids, Liquids and Gases. Students, I hope you have read and revised about 3 states of matter that I have discussed with you in my previous classes. So students, today my topic is solutions. So kindly open your book at page 72. Solutions. A solution is formed when one or more than one substance dissolves in another substance. Now students, underline word solution and write its definition as a mixture of solute and solvent. Now underline word dissolves and write its meaning: to be absorbed by a liquid, especially when mixed. Now underline word substance and write its meaning: a solid or liquid material. Now students, a solution is formed when one or more than one substance dissolves in another substance. The substance that dissolves is called the solute. So what is solute? Solute is the substance that dissolves in a liquid to form a solution. For example, sugar, salt, glucose are solute, which when dissolves in water form solutions. Students, solute is the minor part of solution, that is, it is in less amount. Now the substance that dissolves the solute is called solvent. So students, what is solvent? Solvent is a substance in which the solute dissolves. It is the major part of the solution. That is, if we talk about sugar solution, then in this solution, sugar is the solute, which is the minor part of solution. That is, it is in less amount, and the water is the solvent, which is the major part of solution. That is, it is in large amount. So students, from the example we come to know that when solute dissolves in a solvent, solution is formed. Let's read further. Water is a universal solvent as it dissolves many different types of substances. So students, water is known as universal solvent because water is the only solvent in which so many solutes can dissolve. Let's read further. When we mix sugar with water, the sugar particles fill the empty spaces between the water molecules. Now students, underline word empty and write its meaning: not filled. Students, as we have already discussed that in liquids molecules are loosely packed. So when we dissolve sugar in water, these sugar particles fill the space between the molecules of water and gets dissolved in water and form a sugar solution. Now let's read further. Solutions are of different types depending on the state of solute and solvent present in the solution. Now students, depending on the state of solute and solvent, solutions are of 3 types. Number 1, solids dissolve in liquids. Number 2, liquid dissolved in liquids. Number 3, gases dissolved in liquids. Let's discuss these one by one. Number 1 is solids dissolve in liquids. Students, in this type of solutions, solute is solid and solvent is liquid. Now let's take an example of salt and water. Salt plus water gives salt solution. Here salt is solute, that is in solid form, water is solvent and it is in liquid form. And after dissolving salt in water, we get salt solution. Some more examples are sugar solution, chocolate in milk, and milkshakes. Now, number 2 is liquids dissolved in liquids. Students, in this type of solutions, both solute and solvent are liquids. For example, water and milk, Hershey syrup in milk, lemon juice in water, etc. In all the three examples, both solute and solvent are liquids. Now, number 3 is gases dissolved in liquids. In this type of solutions, solute is in the gaseous state and solvent is in the liquid state. Now, example is carbonated drinks. Now, students, carbonated drinks are drinks that contain dissolved carbon dioxide. So, students, cold drinks like Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Sprite are examples of carbonated drinks. Now next is soluble and insoluble substances. So students, soluble substances are the substances that can easily dissolve in water. For example, salt, sugar can easily dissolve in water and hence they are soluble substances. Now next is insoluble substances. Insoluble substances are the substances that do not dissolve in water. For example, chalk powder, mud, sand are insoluble substances. Now next is miscible and immiscible liquids. Students, miscible liquids are liquids that can be mixed together. That is, when you mix two liquids, they dissolve completely in each other. For example, water mixes with milk, ink mixes with water, and different food colors mixes with water. So here ink, milk, water, food color are miscible liquids. Next is immiscible liquids. Immiscible liquids are the liquids that when mixed together do not dissolve in each other. For example, oil in water. So students, oil does not dissolve in water. So today we have discussed about solutions, type of solutions, soluble and insoluble substances and miscible and immiscible liquids. You read and revise this topic again and also revise related cross questions. Thank you. Have a nice day.